task 1, you run it with the standard inputs, run node and run client Java. I'm going to use the quiet and plain console so that's easier to see. So over here you see it just prints out some information, all the services that are provided. So the first one is get jokes. That was already implemented, but we'll go through it just to make sure it works. How many jokes would you like? 3. And so it prints out 3 jokes here. Then let's add a joke. Good choice. Enter your new joke. This is a joke. And then just to make sure that it went in there, let's just look at all of them. This is a joke. It is in there. Cool. The echo thing. Enter your parrot message. Say, hello. And we get back hello. So I implemented the calc function or the service. So add works. Let's do 1, enter another number, 2, 3. So that should be 6. And the solution is 6. Let's do calculator again, but this time we'll do subtract. And we'll go 9 minus 4 minus 1. And that should be 4. That's correct. Calculator, let's do multiply. We'll do 1 times 2 times 3. And that should be 6. Yep. And then for divide it is set up so that, so let's take 100 and divide that by, I don't know, 20, and divide that by 0.5. That should be 10, I think. Yeah, so it divides each number in sequence. Okay, so that's the calculator that all works. I did story, so already there's some stuff from the last session, so I just different things. Whatever. This is what's already saved in the storybook. So let's add something else. We'll write hello. This is another sentence. Okay. So you see that on this side it prints out the whole storybook, but we'll do it again over here. Let's read the story. Cool. So hello, this is another sentence. And then actually, so let's quit, and we'll quit this as well. And I've run into problems with running this without doing a clean in between each session. So in case you have problems running my code, just do Gradle clean, and that seems to work. But I'm going to restart it so that we can look at the storybook to ensure that it is persistent even though the server shut down, and you can see that it is. Hello, this is another sentence is still on there. So my own, this is test 2. This is my own invented service. It's a spirit animal service. It gives you one, will give you a spirit animal right here. So animal, mouse, and the description, pretty small. It's really simple. You can also add a spirit animal. So let's do this. We'll add a monkey. And the description will be pretty crazy. Cool. And then for the repeated field requirement, you can see all the spirit animals that are possible. So we'll do that. And you can see there's bear, sable, mouse, otter, and then monkey was the one we added. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And of course you can have another client on here. Client Java. And we can have multiple going at the same time. And let's just look at the spirit animals just to make sure that they all have the same access. So see spirit animals, and you can see the one that I added, monkey, is on there. It's the same thing with the storybook. And they're synchronized, so you can't update them at the same time. Cool. So that's pretty much that. We're going to go over here and I'm going to run the registry server. This is the register service node. These are all the defaults set up in the assignment document, so you can run them with exactly how they're written in the book. Okay. Oh, what happened here? Once again, I've needed to run Gradle clean every time I start a new session. So I don't really know why, but what is happening? Exception made. Failed to bind. Oh, I think it's because this is running. Yeah, okay. Sorry. So the registry server is running. Let's try this again. There, okay, now it's working. It was using the same port. So let's run my client. This is run client 2. Once again, it's the same thing. So this time, instead of having that nice little menu, it just prints out all the services that it gets from the registry in a numbered format. So which service would I like? Let's just do the parrot. And we'll enter my parrot message, hello. And you can see received from server, hello. Basically what happens here, so yeah, it's right up. So in find server, I edited it so that when you find a server that has that service, I set the channel, so that's up here. I set the channel for all these blocking stubs with the new channel. So basically what it does is it sets up a connection and then it changes the channel based on what service you choose. So, and it saves all these services as strings, so it can find a server that has, say, let's see, the story. So let's do that. And so you can see it goes, finds a server, changes the channel, and then uses that new server to give the response. And see here that it gives the story. And it's the same as the other one. It uses the same file for loading. Yeah, and that's basically it. I wasn't able to get it working on AWS because I couldn't figure out how to set it up with the channel, the managed channel. Basically, this needs to connect to a server of some sort to begin with. And I ran out of time figuring out how to not connect to a server and just the registry. So this does work if there's multiple servers running with different clients or with different services, but yeah, it doesn't work on AWS. So that requirement's not met. And 3.2, I didn't register my server online. So yep, that's pretty much it.